Welcome to a journey of profound wisdom and timeless philosophy, where the teachings of one man sparked a revolution in how we perceive life's challenges and pursue inner tranquility. Meet Zeno of Citium, the visionary founder of Stoicism, a philosophical school that transcends time and resonates with seekers of peace and fulfillment across generations. Imagine a world where the chaos of existence threatens to overwhelm us at every turn, where uncertainty looms large and adversity lurks in the shadows. It is in this turbulent sea of existence that Zeno's teachings shine as a beacon of hope and resilience, offering us a path to navigate the storms of life with grace and fortitude. Stoicism, born from the fertile mind of Zeno, is not merely a philosophy but a way of life, and an invitation to embrace the inherent beauty of the human spirit and to cultivate an unshakable sense of inner peace amidst the tumult of the. As we delve into the depths of Stoic thought, let us uncover the profound insights and timeless wisdom that continue to inspire and uplift souls in their quest for meaning and tranquility. At the heart of Stoicism lies a profound acceptance of the nature of existence, an acknowledgement that much of what unfolds in our lives lies beyond our control. Yet far from resigning us to a passive existence, Zeno's teachings empower us to confront this reality with courage and wisdom, urging us to embrace fate with open arms and to find solace in the immutable laws of the universe. Living in accordance with nature, as Zeno envisioned, is not a call to retreat from the world, but a call to align our thoughts and actions with the rational order of the cosmos. It is a call to embrace reason as our guiding light and to cultivate virtues such as courage, temperance, and wisdom that elevate the human spirit and illuminate our path through life's labyrinth. In the face of adversity and uncertainty, Stoicism offers us a sanctuary of inner tranquility that remains unscathed by the storms that rage outside. Through the practice of self-awareness and self-discipline, we learn to tame the unruly passions of the mind and to find serenity amidst the chaos, a serenity that emanates from within and radiates outward, touching the lives of all who cross our path. As we embark on this journey through the corridors of Stoic thought, let us heed the timeless wisdom of Zeno and his disciples, for their teachings hold the key to unlocking the treasures of inner peace and fulfillment in the price of human life. Embracing life's unpredictability, the wisdom of Stoic accept. Life is a journey filled with twists and turns, highs and lows, moments of joy and sorrow. Yet, amidst this ever-changing landscape, there exists a timeless philosophy that offers solace and guidance. At the heart of Stoicism lies the profound principle of acceptance of fate. Founded by the ancient philosopher Zeno of Citium, Stoicism teaches us to embrace the inherent unpredictability of life with grace and equanimity. Accept the things to which fate binds you and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. Stoicism reminds us that much of what unfolds in our lives is beyond our control. External events, the actions of others, even the passage of time, all lie outside the sphere of our influence. Yet, it is our response to these circumstances that defines our experience. Zeno emphasized that resistance to the inevitable only leads to suffering. By accepting fate with open arms, we free ourselves from the burden of futile resistance, finding peace amidst life's storms. Picture a sailboat navigating the vast ocean. The sailor cannot control the wind or the waves, but they can adjust their sails and steer their vessel with skill and wisdom. Similarly, in life, we cannot control external forces, but we can choose how we respond to them. Stoicism teaches us to cultivate resilience and inner strength, to weather life's storms with courage and grace. It invites us to shift our focus from what is beyond our control to what lies within it. Our thoughts, through mindfulness and self-reflection, we gain clarity and perspective, we learn to distinguish between what is truly important and what is fleeting. We discover the freedom that comes from letting go of attachments and expectation. Like releasing a lantern into the night sky, Stoic acceptance illuminates the path ahead, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. So let us embrace the wisdom of Stoic acceptance, finding peace in the ebb and flow of life's journey. For in acceptance, we discover the true essence of freedom and the boundless beauty of the human spirit. Embracing harmony, living in accordance with nature, a Stoic perspective. In the bustling cacophony of modern life, finding peace and fulfillment can seem like an elusive dream. Yet, amidst the chaos, ancient wisdom offers a guiding light. Enter Stoicism, a philosophy that beckons us to harmonize our existence with the symphony of the cosmos. Central to this ethos is the profound concept of living in accordance with nature. Imagine a life where every action, every thought, resonates in perfect harmony with the rational order of the universe. This is the essence of Stoic living. It's not about abandoning our humanity, but rather elevating it to its highest potential. At its core, living in accordance with nature is an invitation to embrace reason, virtue, and the immutable laws that govern our. Picture a virtuous life as a well-tuned instrument, each chord struck in alignment with the cosmic melody. This harmony is not merely an abstract ideal, but a tangible reality waiting to be embraced. By cultivating reason, we discern truth from falsehood, guiding our actions with clarity and purpose. Through virtue, we embody the noblest qualities of humanity: courage, temperance, wisdom, forging a path illuminated by moral excellence. Yet, the journey towards harmony is not without its challenges. We are besieged by irrational passions and desires, tempting us with fleeting pleasures and leading us astray. Stoicism warns us of this discord, urging us to cast aside the shackles of impulsive longing and embrace the tranquility of self-mastery. In a world steeped in turmoil, Stoicism offers an anchor, a beacon of serenity amidst the storm. It teaches us to find solace not in the pursuit of external wealth or fleeting accolades, but in the quietude of inner. Here, amidst the ebb and flow of life, we discover a profound truth, that true fulfillment lies not in the pursuit of fleeting desires, but in the unwavering pursuit of virtue. So let us heed the timeless wisdom of the Stoics. Let us embark on a journey towards harmony, guided by reason, fortified by virtue. For in embracing the symphony of existence, we discover not only peace, but the profound beauty of a life well lived. Join us as we delve deeper into the heart of Stoicism and unlock the secrets to living in accordance with nature. Cultivating inner tranquility, the Stoic path to true happiness. In the hustle and bustle of our modern world, where chaos often seems to reign supreme, finding true peace of mind can feel like an elusive dream. Yet, the ancient philosophy of Stoicism offers us a timeless path to inner tranquility, a journey that begins not with changing our external circumstances, but with transforming our inner landscape. At the heart of Stoicism lies a profound truth, that true happiness and peace are not dependent on the ups and downs of life, but are instead found within the depths of our own soul. This core teaching, championed by Zeno of Citium and echoed by generations of Stoic philosophers, invites us to embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-mastery. Central to the Stoic quest for inner tranquility is the concept of ataraxia, a state of serene calmness that arises from within. Unlike the fleeting pleasures of external success or material wealth, ataraxia is an enduring sense of peace that remains unshaken by the storms of life. But how do we cultivate this inner tranquility in a world filled with distractions and challenges? The Stoics offer us a roadmap, one that begins with self-discipline. By mastering our desires and impulses, by cultivating habits of virtue and self-control, we pave the way for a deeper sense of inner peace. Self-awareness is another crucial aspect of the Stoic path to tranquility. By turning our gaze inward, by examining our thoughts and emotions with honesty and clarity, we gain insight into the workings of our own minds. Through this process of self-examination, we become better equipped to navigate the ebb and flow of life with grace and equanimity. But perhaps the most transformative practice of all is the cultivation of virtue. For the Stoics, virtue is not merely a lofty ideal, but a practical guide for living a life of meaning and purpose. By embodying qualities such as wisdom, courage, and justice, we align ourselves with the natural order of the universe, and in doing so find our truest self. In the end, the journey to inner tranquility is not one of escape or avoidance, but of engagement and empowerment. It is a journey that begins and ends within the depths of our own souls, a journey that challenges us to embrace the fullness of our humanity and to live each moment with intention and integrity. So let us heed the wisdom of the Stoics. Let us embrace the path to inner tranquility with open hearts and steadfast resolve. For in the pursuit of true happiness, there is no greater treasure than the peace that comes from within. Finding peace, the Stoic path to inner freedom. In the hustle and bustle of life, amidst the chaos and uncertainty, how can we find inner peace? Welcome to a journey through Stoicism, an ancient philosophy offering timeless wisdom for modern living. At the heart of Stoicism lies a powerful concept, focusing on what's within our control. Imagine a world where instead of being consumed by anxiety over external circumstances, you find serenity by directing your attention inward. In the Stoic view, there are things we can control and things we cannot. The traffic, the weather, the actions of others. These are beyond our influence. But what we can control are our own thoughts, attitudes, and actions. By recognizing this distinction, Stoics teach us to shift our focus to what lies within our power. Our thoughts, the narratives we tell ourselves, our attitudes, the lens through which we view the world, and our actions, the choices we make each day. Picture a difficult situation arising. Instead of succumbing to frustration or despair, the Stoic responds with clarity and composure. They understand that while they cannot control the outcome, they have full autonomy over their response. Stoicism invites us to cultivate self-awareness, to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. Through practices like journaling and mindfulness, we gain insight into our inner workings, empowering us to choose our responses consciously. As we embrace this philosophy, we learn to let go of the burdens we carry, the need for approval, the fear of failure, the desire for control. Instead, we find liberation in surrendering to the natural course of life. In the journey of life, amidst its storms and uncertainties, Stoicism offers us a guiding light. By focusing on what's within our control, we unlock the door to inner freedom and discover the profound peace that resides within us all. Embracing virtue, the path to lasting fulfillment and inner peace. In the vast tapestry of existence, amidst the ebb and flow of fortune's tide, one principle shines forth as a beacon of unwavering light, embodied by the Stoic philosophers. Led by the venerable Zeno of Citium, this timeless wisdom illuminates the path to the highest good and ultimate fulfillment in life. Virtue, defined as excellence of character, stands as the cornerstone of the Stoic ethos. It is not mere adherence to a set of moral precepts dictated by society, but a profound alignment with reason and the natural order of the cosmos. To live virtuously is to harmonize one's thoughts, actions, and intentions with the universal principles that govern existence. In the tumult of life's trials and tribulations, Stoicism teaches that true resilience and inner peace are found not in fleeting pleasures or external accolades, but in the cultivation of virtue. Whether in times of prosperity or adversity, the virtuous individual remains steadfast, guided by the beacon of reason amidst the stormy seas of emotion. What sets virtue apart as the highest good is its intrinsic nature. Unlike material wealth or transient pleasures, virtue is incorruptible and immune to the vicissitudes of fate. It is the wellspring from which all other goods flow, enriching every aspect of life with its radiant presence. Through the practice of virtue, one discovers a profound sense of purpose and meaning, transcending the transient pursuits of fame or fortune. In the pursuit of excellence of character, one finds not only fulfillment but also a deep connection to the innermost essence of being. Moreover, virtue serves as a guiding light in navigating the complexities of human relationships and social interactions. It fosters empathy, compassion, and justice, forging bonds of goodwill that transcend the boundaries of individual identity. In a world rife with discord and strife, virtue becomes the cornerstone of a harmonious society where individuals coexist in mutual respect and In essence, the Stoic philosophers remind us that the pursuit of virtue is not merely a lofty ideal, but a practical philosophy for living a life of enduring significance. It is the key that unlocks the door to inner tranquility, resilience in the face of adversity, and a profound sense of connection to the vast tapestry of existence. As we embark on our journey through life, let us heed the wisdom of the Stoics and embrace virtue as the highest. For in its embrace, we discover not only the fulfillment of our deepest aspirations, but also the true essence of what it means to be human. Conclusion. Throughout the annals of time, certain philosophies have emerged like guiding stars, offering solace and wisdom to those traversing life's tumultuous seas. Among these luminaries stands Stoicism, a beacon of resilience, tranquility, rooted in the teachings of Zeno of Citium. Stoicism is not merely a relic of the past, but a timeless philosophy that continues to echo through the corridors of history, offering profound insights into the human condition. In an ever-changing world fraught with uncertainty, Stoicism serves as a steadfast companion, guiding us through the storms of adversity with unwavering resolve. At its core, Stoicism teaches us to embrace what lies within our control, the realm of our thoughts, attitudes, and actions, while gracefully accepting the rest, be it the whims of fate or the actions of cultivating virtues such as courage, wisdom, and resilience. We can weather life's storms with grace and dignity, emerging stronger and more resilient than before. Stoicism reminds us that true happiness is not found in the pursuit of fleeting pleasures or external accolades, but in the cultivation of an inner sanctuary, a sanctuary of peace, wisdom, and tranquility that remains unshaken amidst the chaos of the world. So as we journey through the tapestry of life, let us heed the wisdom of the Stoics, drawing strength from their timeless teachings and finding solace in the sanctuary of our own soul. For in the pursuit of inner peace and resilience, the Stoics offer us a priceless treasure, a treasure beyond measure, a treasure found not in gold or riches, but in the very essence of what it means to be human.